guys, welcome back to Austin's Off-Road Garage. And today what we're doing is we are going to change the gear oil in my dual transfer case setup. As far as I know, this is super bad. I have never serviced this since I installed them. I don't even know when. I've had dual cases in this truck a long time. So we've got some 75 weight 90 gear oil, Lucas. I like Lucas oil in this type of application. I normally run like Valvoline, but I wanted something. I've been running Lucas in this for, well, since I installed them. So we put 1 quart in the front case and then 2 quarts in the rear case. We'll just drain it out the back the back drain plug. And then yeah, it all mixes eventually. So that's just how I've done it in the past, and it worked. And yeah, pretty basic. But then after we do this, we're gonna jump to the next day, and we're actually gonna be taking this guy on a trail. We're headed back out to 5 Mile, where you seen me and Noah. We're gonna go hit that trail. We're gonna do some harder obstacles because this truck's a lot more capable than my 4Runner out there. So that's gonna be rad. We got a couple buddies we're meeting up with out there that you guys haven't seen on the channel yet, and I'm super stoked. And we're gonna use that new trailer, and I'm even more stoked about that because I can go a little bit harder and have a trailer home. So let's get started. All right, real quick, just wanted to jump underneath here and kind of show you guys what a dual case setup is if you're unfamiliar with it. So what we have is, this is the rear of the transfer case here. Oh, hello Fluffer. Hello dude. All right, so this is the rear case right here, and this has your 4/7 gear set in it. So that's like your crawl box there. And then this is the Marlin crawler adapter for the dual cases. And then your front case sits up in here with the 228 gears. So in order to do this, you have to get custom sized drive lines. This is a long spline trail gear drive line, and then just a factory one in the rear that's been shortened. So pretty easy. So inside the truck, I have a twin stick dual case setup. So what that means is I can be in 2-wheel drive low or 4-wheel drive low with or without my hubs locked. Obviously 4-wheel drive low, your hubs are locked, but I can be in 2-wheel drive low and basically do like a rear dig if you wanted to. But I'm going to take all these knobs off so we can get the boots off, so we can get to the top of those cases. Geez, this thing unscrews for a mile. Alright, so we're ready to pull these out. There's just 4 bolts on each one. That one's kind of hard to see. It's clocked, so it sits a little toward my seat. Bam. That's what puts your truck into the 228 gear. So yeah, this is the shift fork you actually have to modify. Let me see if I can get in there. So this little piece right here isn't there in the factory shift fork. You have to actually weld this on. You know, that gear oil doesn't look too shabby. Oh, there goes my light. That's your trail gear twin sticks there. We're gonna clean all this up too while we're at it. It's a little dirty. can actually see some gears down in there. Sweet. Doesn't look too bad. I'm like half tempted not to do this, but I think I'm gonna do it just for peace of mind. This will kind of be the moment of truth here as to what our fluid looks like. I really don't want gear oil all over my hands, but whatever. Sorry for that terrible shadow. Oh yeah, it's time. It's pretty dark. That must have just been sitting in there for a long time. That stuff we were looking at on the top there. Gonna let that drain for a while. Got a lot of material in it, but this probably has like, it's got some miles on it. I used to daily this truck to work. We're gonna call that good. There's my wrench. Nice and snug. Man. Hello, puppers. Just some shop dogs being shop dogs, huh? So while that was draining, I went ahead and got this cleaned up. I didn't even know this was polished. Looks pretty nice. That one's still a little dirty, but it will do. We're gonna come in here, we're gonna clean up the surface of where these sit. This one has a gasket there. Still looks like it's in pretty good shape, but we'll clean some of the oil off it and put it back together. Well, first we gotta fill the transfer cases back up. Yeah, so we're gonna put 1 quart up here and then 2 quarts in the rear. All right, so how I do this is I got this sweet fluid pump, and you've got to stick the hose. Let me grab my light if I can find it. You've got to stick it behind that shift fork. There's a little opening, you can see it right there, and then you just pump your fluid in there. It's the easiest way I've found. You don't have to use a funnel or anything. And then on the rear one, you can just like dump it right in there, pretty straight up. So let's get pumping, dudes. I use a filter on this one because it's easy. Won't spill over. This is quart number 2. Gonna let it sit there and call it good. So, got it all wrapped up. Everything looks good. Everything shifts. Something I learned is pay attention to what position these are in when you take this off. Like that. This one's good, that one's good. So, we're gonna get this bad girl loaded up. It's dark now. Oh yeah, here's Noah. Noah, you come.
Hey guys.
You coming with tomorrow?
Oh, I'm coming with, and don't buy Durabumps.
No comment. Anyway, we will see you guys tomorrow. All right, good morning guys. We're back here. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Noah is just airing up his tires, and we're just gonna finish that up and then hit the road. So we'll meet you at the trailhead. All right, so we made it out here to the trailhead. We've got Zach and his 5-ton. Look at this monstrosity. Tell us a little bit about it, man.
Oh, it's a old 60s, late 60s 5-ton. The Continental multi-fuel in it. LDS 465 1A. Turbo diesel. Running on all the old junk like burned up tranny fluid and oil and shit like that. Sometimes just for the hell of it. Yeah. Pulled it out of a metal yard and pretty much restored all of it. Didn't used to run or anything.
Nice, man.
So it's a work in progress still. It ain't done yet, but it's getting there.
Yeah.
You can open that door. It's got the custom unfinished interior.
I like the snap-on stool. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
That's
got that
sick.
convenient drawer on there. Sweet, dude.
These like 54s.
Yeah, 53s.
We're gonna wheel it up this trail today. Dude, this thing's so sick. So this is buddy Kenny's. It's a 1988. Dual case, locked, you know. Freaking sweet 4Runner. He told me he's gonna trade me.
That's awesome.
This thing's super rad. And we got my rig. We're down to 5 PSI today. We're gonna see how she does. Yeah, 5 PSI in this thing, you can't even tell. Today's gonna be rad. I don't know if you can see that. We got a 5-ton, we got a couple 4Runners, and we've got a 1-ton dually from Randy's Transmissions. It's gonna be epic. Literally the most diverse wheeling group I've ever been with. So strange.
Easy.
Truck just makes me smile.
Hey, how's that different from having a 3rd-gen 4Runner?
This, you got a lot less ass, that's all I'm gonna say. Perfect. Don't stop. Sorry, I was like, don't stop.
I thought you said don't. I
Oh,
thought you were saying
sorry.
stop.
My bad, dude.
It's not gonna stop. Give her a little bump.
Easy. smooth, man. Yeah, actually my camera, I have to remember that. Now I can grab the real thing. Nice. No? Sounds like she's not liking life. Yeah. Nicely done.
Yeah, just forward and down slow. Follow that exact line. Nothing really. I mean, there's some rocks like right over here, but you'll go right down.
No brakes.
Take it hard driver.
Should I back up a little?
No, I think you're fine.
I gotta turn.
Going up on your right. Passenger a little. Stop. So it's this front right. You're just not able to break over that ledge. Back up a little bit, same right there.
There?
Like back up in that line, sorry. Perfect, now go my way, passenger. You're gonna be on your diff right there, dude. You need to be a little bit more to your right. Yep, try to get your front tire right there. Hopefully you don't need that anyways. Look at that, stuck right there. There you go.
Come on, bitch. Alright. Go around.
If you just follow that line right there and you just kind of ride in the crack, you'll make it.
Just in the crack?
Yeah, so like come up with your front and then you turn to the right, put your driver tire on that rock is what you're gonna aim for. And your back will just come through the crack most likely. Yep. Now passenger.
Brakes need some work, man.
Straight. Stop, you're on your drive line. Your front drive line. Passenger.
Oh, that's driver.
You don't want to go that way.
Can I go forward?
You can try. Yeah, if you do that, you might make it up actually. Yeah, it's right here. There you go. Take that line. Straighten out. And back up. Coming down.
Keep it going. I thought you
That's a hard one.
It is. If you had an inch bigger tires, you could probably do it.
Order
40s
than 40.
and 1 tons.
And I haven't wheeled this thing in 5 years.
That probably doesn't help. Why'd you stop, Austin?
Doing it for the gram. Jesus, I'm not gonna be able to get back in.
Should I take the same line?
Yeah. Dude, you're there, man. Keep going. Heck yeah, keep going. You're fine. Turn into it a little. There you go. Keep going. Yeah, dude. You're gonna slam hard, but just go slow. Oh no. Nice. That's funny. These things do awesome, man.
Oh, dude. Anywhere I go.
All right, I'm gonna move mine. So we're just thinking he's a little too, he's got too much of a booty. Alright, so far the truck's working freaking awesome. Couldn't be happier. We're just about to Wayne's World. We're gonna put this thing to the test, see what we can do there. Oh man, sorry for the wind noise too. But man, I have missed this thing. Let's keep going. Beautiful day here in Utah. Okay, Noah. I got 20 bucks, you put it on its side.
I'll just take that right now.
About to get Western, boy.
Red Bull gives you wings, right?
All right, we got the Arc Master about to take his arc up Wayne's World. Good job, good luck, buddy.
Thanks, man, I'm gonna need it.
You let me know if you want me to spot you.
Okay.
Perfect, dude, perfect. Okay, Noah. When you start, see, that's what I was afraid was gonna happen. Turn it, just keep it turned driver. So hold the brake if you can to kind of make this wheel kind of grab traction, because your passenger tires, there you go, there you go, roll through it. Back up a little bit. Right there. Let me see what this other side's doing. So slippery in here. Work it. Yee-yee! There you go. There you go. Woo! Keep going. Oh, hell yeah. Oh.
I'm gonna make Wayne's World in my 4Runner.
Yeah, dude. Yep, right there. Keep it, passenger. tight. Keep it dry. Kind of walk up this ledge. Dude, he's so close. You are so close. What's that? Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Bigger bump?
Yeah.
Real Moab bump.
Yeah. That was close, dude. Hold it toward me when you come up. Dude, oh, you were this close. This is gonna be so rad when he makes it, dude. Holy shit. This goes to show right here how tough these axles are, because 35s usually don't like these CVs, but they're holding up.
OEM, baby.
There it goes.
What was that?
Either a different axle or I don't know what that is.
One more try? Huh?
Well, you were close, dude.
I broke it.
We're not really sure. Something going on in the front end.
Maybe transfer case.
Yeah.
But got close. I thought I was gonna make it.
So close. I wish you guys could see this, because it's a lot gnarlier in person. You can like barely walk on this surface. It's so slippery. So it's my turn.
All right. Austin hasn't done this obstacle in like 4 years, 5 years. Hasn't had this truck in 4 or 5 years. It's the first time he's wheeling it in 4 or 5 years. So
Remember how to do it.
you're gonna walk it, bro. Woo! That helps. That was it.
Yeah, it got a lot deeper right here.
Same old Austin.
Huh?
Same truck, same Austin. Same line, just really minor bump.
That too low.
close to the first time. Austin, as you come up, go drive her a little bit. You're keeping it pretty straight. All right, here it is. He's got it. Passenger. Yeah, move that wheel around. So, Austin, that exact line, but right when you get to the top, right before you come back, crank it passenger. Your wheel is at the top, you just need it to grab the top, but it's still... What up? Huh?
Yeah. On my way now. No driver. Oh. No driver. No driver. Come here, buddy. Go. Give it a little bit. Give it a little bit. Yeah.
I got it.
There you go. Just crawl it, baby.
Straight up. Go passenger. There you go.
Okay. That was close. Alright, we got Noah in my truck.
Think I can break this one?
I mean, please don't, but if it happens, it happens. There you go. Okay, oh, slow, slow, slow. So, just crawl up that ledge and keep the driver. It's gonna like be weird. Keep going. Okay, go hard driver. Whoa. All right, back up, passenger, turn passenger. Back up, back up. Okay, now right there, turn. Turn toward me. Okay, now come forward. Passenger. All right, hold up. Ah, back up.
Okay, stay there, little picture.
I turn to the driver and back up. Yeah, driver back up, slow, slow. Keep it to the driver. You're backing up. You turn to the driver. Turn driver. You're good, Noah. All right, straighten out and just come toward me. Back up a little bit and keep it driver when you go forward. Right there, give her a little bump. Second gear. Driver? Yep. Send it. Alright guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I had a blast out here today. Everyone's already rolled out. I'm all by myself, as you can see. And truck held up. I feel like I wheeled it pretty hard. Didn't hold back. So thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, subscribe, let me know what you thought. And we'll see you on the trail next time.